T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on a mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the International Space Station.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station. Atlantis now in the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Outpost. 30 seconds into the flight. Atlantis almost 2 miles in altitude, almost 6 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center already, traveling 500 miles an hour. The 3 liquid fuel main engines now throttling back to 72% of rated performance, going into the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier.
Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya VM. Today is the birthday of Elon Musk, who said, I could either watch it happen or be a part of it. So today in this video, we will know something about Elon Musk and his journey of SpaceX, Tesla, and various other enterprises created by him in his small lifetime. So Elon Musk was born in the year 1971. He is a citizen of South Africa, Canada as well as United States. So in India, we know that a person can have only a single citizenship according to the Indian system. However, there are some other countries which allow more than one citizenship also. Similarly, Elon Musk was actually born in South Africa and now he is the citizen of 3 countries, that is South Africa, Canada and the United States. In the year 2020, the human race got to achieve a big feat when for the first time SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket was launched into the International Space Station with the NASA astronauts. NASA could not send its own astronauts. It had to rely on the Russian vehicles for sending its astronauts. However, now as SpaceX has developed this technology, even for private flyers, it is very feasible that they can also go to space. We are going to make it happen. As God is my witness, I am hell-bent on making this happen. This was said by Elon Musk. Such a motivating line. Similarly, few other things about his space journey. In the year 2008, Falcon 1 became the first privately developed liquid fuel rocket to reach the Earth's orbit. So this was the small yet very important feat achieved by Elon Musk and his team. In the year 2012, similarly, Dragon became the first private spacecraft to visit the space station. In the year 2016, SpaceX landed its Falcon 9 rocket successfully on a drone ship. So this was the first time ever demonstration of the reusable technology. When we launch a particular rocket, a huge amount of investment is incurred over there. Through this SpaceX landing on a drone ship, it means that we can again use those launch vehicles and the additional equipments again and again. So that means there will be a cost reduction. So this is the reusable technology. And also it was made possible because of SpaceX experiments. The success does not stop here. In the year 2018, SpaceX had launched Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful operational rocket, which had a increased factor by 2. Similarly, SpaceX was founded by Elon Musk in the year 2002 when his goal was to reduce the space transportation cost and to enable colonization of Mars. As we know, Earth will not be able to sustain our population if we continue growing at this particular rate. So this was even said by Stephen Hawking that one day the Earth will destroy. So this was very important that we search out for a different planet in the space. The objective of colonization of Mars was also there. Then, transforming space technology, increasing accessibility of space travel to one and all. In this diagram, you can see the Falcon and Dragon model. So not only in space research, Elon Musk had also developed a lot of small commercial companies like PayPal. So Elon Musk had developed a company called as X.com, which later merged into a community called as Continuity, and the result of this merging was called as PayPal. eBay finally purchased PayPal for an amount of $1.5 billion. So Elon Musk says that it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Now, how was the early life of Elon Musk? So he was born on 28 June 1971, that is today, 49 years ago. He is said to have been raised by books. Right from very childhood, he used to read a lot of books and inculcate a lot of knowledge because of that. At the age of 12, he sold his own code for video games. So he was very interested in programming. Also because of these inspiring stories, we find that our present generation, right from a very young childhood, they try to learn programming. So at the age of 12, he sold his first code for a video game for $500 to a magazine. This video game code was called as Blaster. So I hope you must have learned a lot of things about the life of Elon Musk and the journey of SpaceX and its current achievement. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademyopsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, jaha ki 25th May start ho jai. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching science, tech and current affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn Polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE, for getting additional 10% discount. So आपण a referral code को भी use करी परिबे, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. So basically, what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy? First of all, there is a Garud course. In this Garud course for CPSC mains, that is the Police Services mains, grammar, that is Odia grammar, reasoning and general awareness are being taught by 3 great educators. Next up, Laksha OHC ASO course, in which for ASO aspirants, this particular course, it is a comprehensive course and it has started. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code YAGYA9, YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.